In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax in Freshbooks. Navigating taxes can be a labyrinth of confusion and frustration for many. However, with tools like Freshbooks, life can get a tad easier. This cloud-based accounting software not only simplifies invoice creation, but also offers an intuitive way to manage your taxes on sales. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or just getting your startup off the ground, understanding how to efficiently add taxes to your invoices is crucial. So, let's get started. First things first, you're going to want to log into your Freshbooks account. Once logged in, look for the Invoices section. This is the area where Freshbooks efficiently keeps track of all your billing documents. Now, navigate over to this section. Once you're there, it's time to create something new. Go ahead and click on the New Invoice button. Think of this as opening a blank canvas, ready for you to craft your detailed invoice. Now, we arrive at a significant part of the process. It's time to start itemizing the goods or services you've provided. What you'll want to do next is click on Add a Line. Here, you'll start entering the specific details of your product or service. This step is critical for transparency in your invoicing, so specify exactly what you're charging for. Once you've typed in the product or service, proceed to add the price for each. Clarity in this step can prevent misunderstandings down the line. Up to this point, it's been pretty straightforward, but now we're about to add another layer: taxes. Look out for the Add Taxes button in your invoice settings. Once you've clicked it, you'll be directed to the tax settings for your invoice. Here's where you'll input your tax rate. Whether it's a standard rate or something more particular that your local government requires, it's crucial to ensure accuracy for compliance purposes. Enter the proper tax rate, and you're almost done. Finally, after entering the correct rate, you'll wrap things up by clicking on Apply Taxes. This action will apply the tax rate to the items in your invoice, recalculating the total to include the applicable taxes. It's a vital step that ensures your invoices are both accurate and legally compliant. And there you have it. Adding taxes to your invoices in Freshbooks is not just necessary, it's also straightforward and ensures that your business operations remain compliant with tax laws. Although taxes can often feel like a hassle, integrating them correctly into your invoicing process is a significant stride towards proficient financial management. Freshbooks simplifies this entire process, allowing you to focus more on growing your business and less on administrative red tape. Keep in mind that taxation laws can vary widely depending on your location and the business nature you're in. It's always a good idea to consult with a tax professional to ensure that you're applying the right tax rates and adhering to all necessary regulations. We hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the Freshbooks platform and easing your invoicing process just a bit. Remember, staying organized and keeping accurate records not only helps when it's tax time, but also positions your business for overall success. Happy invoicing! And here's to managing your finances more efficiently.